Black Duck Armory, where precision and survival become seamless masterpieces.
That's what Black Duck Armory gave me. I've been in situations where every millisecond counts, where precision isn't a luxury, it's survival. I was wrong. They didn't just build me a gun, they engineered a masterpiece, a custom-tuned instrument that transformed my shooting game. The balance, the trigger pull, the recoil management, it's all dialed in perfect. I'm talking about fluid transitions, rapid target acquisition, and accuracy under pressure that I never thought possible. Move through urban environments, clearing rooms, engaging threats with surgical precision, and it's not just about hitting the target, it's about controlling the chaos. That's the kind of environment where your gear can't fail. My Black Duck Armory pistol, it performed flawlessly. It's the difference between going home and becoming another statistic. If you're serious about your performance, if you demand the absolute best, then you need to experience what Black Duck Armory can do. They don't just build firearms, they build confidence. They build legends.